So hello everyone. In the last class we have discussed 14a question number 4. Today we are going to begin with question number 5. So number 5 question is, a metal plate measuring 32 centimeter by 12 centimeter is cut into small squares of side length 4 centimeter. How many squares will be cut? Okay. So we have a metal plate. Look at a metal plate as a matter jar. Length is 32 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. From this metal plate we are going to cut squares. Squares and cut and I get a square jar side kiman 4 4 4 4 again 4 4. This is also 4 4 like that. Squares we are cutting out of the metal plate. So you are going to find how many squares can be cut. So now think logically. This total area of the metal plate, okay, the total area of the metal plate is going to be divided into squares. This again one more square, again one. So this square, how many squares will repeat to complete this area? Okay, বুজি পাইছে? So basically আমি কি কৰি আছো, গুটেইটো metal plate সৰু সৰু squares divide কৰি দি আছো. So what you are going to do, you are going to divide the area of the metal, গুটেইটো metal plate area divide কৰি দিবা by the area of one square. Why we are going to divide it? Because a square area kiman bar repeat hobo pare, that many squares will be there, isn't it? So logically a square area is a 4 into 4 4 into 4 4 into 4. Area of a square is side into side. So side into side, side again, side into side, again side. How many times it will repeat? Okay, so when we are going to find how many times it repeats, just by dividing we can get it. Okay, so you will do it. Area of metal plate. Area of metal plate will be what? Length into breadth. Length is 32 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Don't solve it, okay? Because solving means here we are going to multiply. Again you are going to divide. It will waste your time. So let it be like this. For square, area of square will be side into side. That is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. So number of square that can be cut is equal to area of metal plate divided by area of one square. Since we are going to divide it, that's why we didn't multiply it. Okay, 32 centimeter into 12 centimeter by 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Centimeter cancel, centimeter cancel. One time, 3 times. So 24 is the answer. Okay, let's see number 6. Which of the following has larger area and by how much? Question is very easy. Which of the following has larger area? Kuntu area bhitor kar area dangor hobo aru kiman dangor hobo? Okay, a rectangle of length 24 centimeter and breadth 17 centimeter, or a square of side 21 centimeter. So 6 number for rectangle, length is 24 centimeter, breadth is 17 centimeter. So area will be length into breadth, that is 24 centimeter into 17 centimeter. So now we are going to multiply it. 28 carry 2, 14 into 16, and here it will be 24. 8 10 carry 1, 3 and 1 4. So it will be 408 centimeter square. for square. What is the side here? Side is, so for a square we have side as 21 centimeter. So area will be side into side, that is 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter, 21 into 21 is 441 centimeter square. After getting the area of rectangle and area of square, you can see that area of square is greater. Therefore, you will write area of square is greater by how much you need to find. So, by subtracting the areas, you can get by how much it is greater. So, you can see by 33 centimeter square it is greater. Got it, all of you? Let's see number 7 then. Number 7 is the area of a rectangle is 0.5 hectare. If one side is 12.5 meter, find the other side in meters. Okay, so one side is equal to 12.5 meter. Area is given as 1.5 hectare. Okay, HM is 0.5 hectare, it is given. So you need to remember area comes as length into breadth. 1 hectare, okay, you will remember 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So now since you need to find the other side in meter, a hectare of tomaloke ki koribo lagibo, divide convert koribo lagibo. You have to convert this hectare into meter square. So from hectare you need to go to meter square, so you need to multiply 10,000 meter square. Now you can take length as 12.5 and breadth we don't know, that is other side we don't know. It will be 40 meter square, decimal asile, so pointer piece that digit dirilla. Now for breadth this will come this side and it will be divided. So into 10 into 10, breadth will be in meter. Why we have multiplied by 10? Because here is a decimal, so after decimal we will multiply to remove the decimal. It will be 125 and it will be 5 4 zeros. 25 times 5 times 5 2000 times 5 1 times 5 4 00. So breadth we got as 400 meter. Therefore you will write other side is equal to 400 meter. I think it is clear to all of you. Let's see number 8 then. A rectangular piece of plastic sheet measures 1 meter by 70 centimeter. Find its cost at the rate of rupees 80 per square meter. So length is given, breadth is given. Okay, so length is how much? 1 meter. Breadth is 70 centimeter. So 70, we need to go to meter, so we have to divide it by 100 meter. Clear? 0 and 0 will be cancelled, it will be 0.7 meter. So length we got as 0.7 meter. So we will find the area of the field. So area of the field will be length into breadth. Length is 1 meter, breadth is 0.7 meter. 1 into 0.7 will be 1 multiplied by any number will be the number itself. So it will be 0.7 meter into meter square. So we were not supposed to find the area, we were supposed to find the cost, but without knowing how much area we are going to how much area of plastic sheets we need, we cannot find the cost. Okay, so here for 1 meter square cost is how much? For 1 meter square cost is, it is clearly given rupees 80. So how much we are going to buy? We are going to buy 0.7 meter square, so cost will be 80 into 0.7, so which implies 8 into 7 is 56, 0, 1 0 will be there. After decimal you can see one digit, so it will be 56.0, that is rupees 56. I hope it is clear to all of you. Let's see question number 9 then. The length and breadth of a playground are 80 meter by and 35 meter respectively. Find the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 4.50 per square meter. Okay. So here number 1, we need to find the cost of leveling. So you need to know how much area you are going to level it. So using the length and breadth you can find the area of the playground. So area of the playground will be equal to length into breadth. Length is given as 80 meter, breadth is given as 35 meter. So 1 0 will be there, as we are going to multiply it with 80, so 0 is there, so in the ones place there will be 0. 8 into 5 is 40, 0 written, 4 in hand, 8 into 3 is 24, 24 into 4 is 28. 2800 meters square is the total area. Now for leveling 1 meter square cost will be 4.50, isn't it? It is given. Find the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 4.50 per meter square. So how much you are going to level? 2800 meters square. So 4.50 into 2800. So 28 into 45. 8 into 5 is 40, carry 4. 14, 32 carry 3, 8 and 3 11. 0, 6, 2, 1. 1, 2, 6, 0. And how many zeros will be there? 3 more zeros will be there. Okay. So now after decimal we have two places. So from the back you count two digits and put a decimal. So it will be 12600. Okay. Now number 2 question says that how long will it take to go 3 times round the field if he walks at the rate of rupees 1.5 meter per second. Okay, so whenever he will go round the field, he will not cover the area. Whenever he will go round the field like this, he will cover the boundary of the field, which is that means he will cover the perimeter of the field. So first we will find the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into length is how much? 80 meter, breadth is how much? 35 meter. So 2 into, it will be 115 meter, that is 230 meter. Clear? So now he is going to cover it 3 times. Okay, so distance covered in 3 rounds, okay, will be 230 into 3 meter, that is 690 meter will be the distance he will cover in 3 times. Okay, now time taken to cover. Now you need to find how long will he take. That means you are going to find the time taken. Okay, so time taken cover 1.5 meter is equal to 1 second. Therefore time taken to cover 1 meter, okay, is 1 by 1.5 second. Time taken to cover how much? 690 meter. 690 meter will be 1 meter or 1 by 1.5. So 1 by 1.5 into 690 seconds he will take. Okay, so now we are going to calculate it. 1 by 1.5 into 690 seconds. Okay, so 690, 1 into 690 is 690, 1.5 into 10 just to remove the decimal. Okay, so 6900 divided by 15 seconds or minute again we have to divide it by 60, so into 60 we have divided. Okay, now it turns into minutes. 0 and 0 cancelled. 3 5 times, 3 2 times, 3 2 3 0 times. Okay, then again by the table of 5 1 time, 5 4 times 20. Okay, remains 3 3 0 36 times. Okay, 3 times 23 times, so it will be 23 by 3 minutes. You can convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, 7 times 21, 7, 2 by 3 minutes. Okay, this is the time taken and to cover 3 rounds. I hope it is clear. Number 10, two plots of land have same perimeter. Perimeter of the two plots is same. One is a square of side 60 centimeter. So first, for square plot, side is how much? 60 meter. Therefore, perimeter is 4 into side, so 240 meter. So this is the perimeter of the square plot. That means the other plot will also have the perimeter as 240 because it is given that the two plot has the same perimeter. So for rectangular plot, length is given as, whose breadth B is 1.5 decameter. From decameter, if you go to meter, we have to multiply it by 10. So into 10 meter, which is equal to 15 meter. Perimeter will be same. Okay, perimeter is how much? 240 meter. We need to find what? Which plot has greater area? So perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into length plus breadth. 240 ahibo. So 2 when taken that side will be divided. Length plus 15, 240 divided by 2. 1 time 120 times. So length will be 120 minus 15, that is 105 meter. Question kuntu plot or area to basic do la bola ke. Area will be, area of square plot will be side into side, that is 60 meter into 60 meter, 3600 meter square. And here area will be length into breadth. Okay, that is 105 meter into 15 meter. 525 105 1575 meters square. That means area of square plot is more, isn't it? And by how much? You just subtract it, you will get your answer. Okay, so this is all about the class today. In the next class we will be discussing from MCQs we will discuss and we will complete it. Okay, till then, thank you everyone. See you in the next class.